Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwonjuma die so dia wo kan se won sempa esa ken no pen so ja medin di Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back pe the only nomenclature of professor's degree in sports the original Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekono kwanten kwadin sema odo esa ken no pen so e wo Ghana gudim eja o shan so mam se nwuma kunia miensan one expert omotachiri and afi je fast mess chance so tachiri na afi sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel set me kembia and also everything aboa a journey for 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step FA Cup for England and Ra Deputy County for a transfer West Ham United from a camino Antina Fila Liga nim Villarreal also transfer Real Vallecano be from a caba commenting Chan and net Yamia Doma case in the 18 Santos Ogia and in Niger and 09 and I can see the Betia Basso Sempa 94.7 FM the live commentary Betia Brona Adom 106.3 FM share FM so getemu Kumasia the live commentary na eba ye catch na kensi no Madagascar and Senegal at 7 p.m. and as I can kese no so e betimi out of FM quickly if anything sanchim e was swag president Kwabena Yeboa ono ene de nkomo atuasa aba ni nyina ne se nanu ada swag for mpanyim for the ma was night ituasa atentam so a ye ka swag Sports Writers Association of Ghana na omoso nkoma omo edija according to Kwabena Yeboa no ugidi pass Black Stars Management Committee members sikati dia na omo jeno ya na enhyedan fakwam.
It's been 41 long years since Ghana won the AFCON. It's been 40 years since Kumasi Asante Kotoko ruled Africa, and 23 years since glorious Atsofuk dominated the continent. The statistics sadly indicate the rest of Africa have overtaken us as we now play catch-up. We need to work smart and invest meaningfully in our sport to hold the rot. Isn't it sad that in our last 4 World Cup appearances, we cannot boast of any major legacy project from the FIFA money, much of which were shared among players and officials? We certainly have to take a second look at the practice, for instance, of paying as much as $100,000 to some management members as appearance fees. His Royal Majesty, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this year Ghana is scheduled to host the Africa Games. 7 months to the scheduled start, our infrastructure is far from ready. More worryingly, our federations are not doing much in terms of preparation, as most of them lack the needed funding. In fact, we're running out of time, and unless the African Union acquiesces to our request for the postponement of Africa's premium multi-sport competition,
Nti Yura Kwabena Yeboa essential for Ghana Sports Writers Association womo ekuo no epanyi na ode na no ada ode ne komo etwensan to dwade afase na nema esi ekoso si fibi a air clubs no etimi agi omudin ewo Africa oba Ghana so national teams no so fibi ni a won so etimi akire mbobre na sports minister honorable Yusuf Mustafa enso ede ne komo hakra etwensan jawasho public ne se feasibility code on betwensan ahwe na physical yetimi ede eboa ma nema etimi to ye no Oma hwede aboa ma nema etimi to ye sisi multiple centers ebeti aboa e ma goodie no so etumpon e Ghana.
Sports brink, when well structured, it also enhances the social cohesion and generally help our health being and improvement in education and infrastructure development of our country. Sports' ability to positively impact society is acknowledged, and this potential is recognized in the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development Goal, which recognizes the sports as a crucial facilitator for attaining the SDGs. Ladies and gentlemen, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo administration is committed to sports development agenda. Over the years, the government has fiercely concentrated on sports infrastructure development to enable the sector in reaching its economic potential. Among these are the development of facilities at the 13th African Games in Botswana and also Legon, the unprecedented construction of astroturfs across the country, and the rehabilitation of sports stadia, and the construction of 10 multipurpose youth resource centers.
The Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, Minister for Youth and Sports, now in the council, also didn't come age. Now, Enra, I was sports night, so I was 94.7 FM and Jude Sunimo, and I ended a blind historian. The Dean Eddie Affair Judu. Now, and then the Kram Kumoma or the Kumoha creating start to just so no cross Sebenado. The near Frakro visually impaired Crano. Hunya maybe a Ghana football man Titu Chan akensi ekoya another yentian chakuta fan as ojidi passe na nyen pa edema Ghana din. Their performance World Cup, their performance Chan in recent times no obeka say yehu league especially Chan there's a reflection of your league na say
a clear reflection, because even your league no crown osha Kotoko Eko Africa Denisi Kadiogo and a Yomu film. Omutimi Koshe Kadiogo 1-0 and so Kadiogo ebe show mu 1-0 at the penalties a Yomu film. Hasso folk and so sa Mali for a club in a Yomu film. And even your clubs no crown on Mojile no Omoko Africa na Omo best say be omo first match no ma qualify to the second match no. They don't even money zone. 2019 Kotoko last time Oko Confederation Club in 2018 2019 oba Oko 15 September Oshe 2019 Oshe Tour Sportif decided 2-0 Oko 22nd and Tour Sportif to the 3-0 Stella Club of Cote d'Ivoire and the Kotoko film Confederation Club et then assistant et say trans na se dialogue bi national dialogue bi ne be na ye dia solve your football problems na ye solve ne entra o ne nyai matra makoe no obo se football people we betra wa na ye de pedium ye de o mako work up na ye de campaign we have dada na hooliganism ya intimidate obi a obi intimi contest election ni bia na okwabana ne asa transfer for the second time.
Aban any role to play in all this?
Oh, Aban a role to play because Aban and only say me Aban we na sa politicians we know I don't trust them. Omo kan kure omo no baby a ho be bin na e wo ye de no e na omo pe into football ne bin na omo so benya kakra di no na omo so di omo ahyem na shabu ubeti a shabu ye see atwa $25 million ade an kese say e sports administration no na politicians di omo ahyem na omo akwa na akwa say into politicians dey enye omo fi football because wo hwe ade a politicians timi here e football ma very bad so 2018 mo see obi yachi obi so obi akwa kwaji bribe anas aremea anas o shawan na cheese nipa no ade na esi en si organ how esi wo United Arab Emirates na declare GFA say o crime scene I don't know say o jimi crime scene na say me fan say si a cha say dubo an de buy no ye declare Ministry of Finance say crime scene anti politicians omo kan kre politicians the most dishonest people Ghana anoma and say obi adi ni jide question mu anti me there politicians crowd here you move football mo say football no see person here ni ya ka minister of sports no kwan say ko politician
into we any koma the blind historian or visually impaired papa na ni hu ade but hu niam e Ghana football mu na no so den komo 18 surgeon na adwo de zoom e wo asempa 94.7 FM sports night so ana san komo yi etimi etof medu besia na madawase a chelp she no so mam say Jeffas Health Limited the Jeffas edu tetahwe no ana etachire ka infections na tetewa wasati meka Jeffas ni bia se gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis wife ita na so de po adoi eboa prapra waharawa na omre bo ma atimi di nchine bo modenda se ko herbal shops na pharmaceutical shops in nema onsa betimi aka Jeffas 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet there intasima we chiri se ehwa na befu ana odin befu twa na kuma bia wodi ne kuma sa no manum modenda so pe bet there 1xbet na mum bet di wa wadwene betia bom utum betia hyeche woni betia ekọ ani timi se utwa bet na de adwene kakra etua sa ata ho na ne wa chiri pa se bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yira nya ya no eno ani edi twa bet na mu wenyina chi na still pe bet there 1xbet abusuan de japade bi sa sages ka question pass enya hwea obetua tabri na akonane akoton de akugu so so de ketwa ekoje kese fa akon ho ana obete sa so na Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel fisabri kodie yaudie for pampa so be premonas ni tu asese home call ashama me market na fitema so nya na obetia friend 0208219129 na on Sedimo gel and roll-on phone so entwetwen komo pe product TV to na emwa ma yaudie pain bia o redeem bia no ebetimi etu asese kama e de amount within the profit kiwala sagudi catch back up na me the adwumadi evidence based presentation ana medebra uti adwumadi dia na ma wo shibubu ahye kale shabubulo shi feda baka kopimbo meka dansuma da kuma kufodua sumsam kedebodu asman kese bi mamponte fadi kitikrachi kopim soedu winiba ko kaso anya na kwatempuko su jaman akosumu enene hyesoso ga kopeda bala hoho ekotito adidome ko ho konkoko bomi obonkwatia kona na domahene atan wo domahenkro kobrekumfo ani kire bechem kosunyan afebu aketemfo ani twensa kire ko piem samaboy obi adna fidi na to agese wo kwa akopiem e wo Cote d'Ivoire otimi sampa amosu kromfo na kitadege bossa wo mo de hwe Adom TV nkomo no ayo de batnyame Adom amrepa mesaka mri biwa mesano abedin so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.